Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put multiple pages on one page in Excel. Okay, now go to another page and select Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl C for copy. Go to sheet on, paste. Okay, again Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V. Okay, and go to page layout, page break. Set this page break here. Insert page break and select vertically page, insert page break. Go to view tab and page break preview. Now see this page on 2 3 4. Okay, now see this control P for printing. Page on, page 2, page 3, page 4. If you remove this multiple page, you set into one page. Go to page layout and break, reset all breaks. Now again Ctrl P. Now see this multiple page